Today we're going to do a toy hunt. We're at Toys R Us.
Yay.
We're in toy hunt for blind bags for Blind Bag Wednesday because all our blind bags finished. Soft blind bags. So they come with these. It's just the puppy lipstick, but I can feel the lipstick and the puppy. It's not the lipstick. It's a bottle and there is like so you had one of these before? Papers, so they can tell you a message. So we'll see you guys later when we found more blind bags. So we found lots of things. Like we found this glitter Play-Doh. And she wanted that thing, but that's it. We have too many stuff for Play-Doh. So now we found lots of stuff. We were gonna buy this Play-Doh book. We thought like it was like Play-Doh inside, but like just to tell it, but just blank spaces. We found a lot of things. She's gonna bring them right now, but we'll be right back. We're just gonna bring them. No, cool the camera. And yeah, we found this Lego Friends book. It's not like just a book. It's like all this has Lego inside. And you can read also. Yeah, and you can even see like part of Andrea here. Put this back. So yeah. So come on, Mom, we're gonna go around. I want so yeah, Moody wants this. So yeah, should we buy it? I think it's too big. It's like for 11. I don't know. It's 11, Katie. Sorry. Well, you still have 10, so you can't. I have this one already. Let's just okay. So now we want. Oh, amazing! We saw that one downstairs. Yeah. This one's our friend's one. But this one has Play-Doh Plus. It's okay. Cool, Rapunzel and Belle. That's my brother! Look at my brother! Look at this. Minion operation. Oh! Is this a minion operation? Oh, look at this. Look at the minion operation. There is, I think it's, oh my gosh. You're 17 movie. Oh, so still I have more than 300 in this stuff. No problem. I don't have to surprise. We are supposed to. Look at the haunted house. Come on. She wants to show you guys something. Show you guys. Come on. Wait, I need to show this to the minion operation to my mom, and I'll be right back. Oh my god, look at those Barbies! Oh my gosh. I already have that one. Cool. Is this the transforming mermaid? Yeah. Okay. Let's see what I want. Cool, look at the 4-ring. This is so awesome. Okay, I already have her. Hey, don't! I want her. Take her. What does she do? Good guy. I'm back, you guys. So, guys, we are just gonna show her. And they're mine. Oh my gosh. No, 5 KD, almost 6. I don't want it.
I want this so bad.
Okay.
Guys, look behind you. Guys, it's for 14 KD.
Nice.
Especially for 14 KD.
Oh my god.
I want it. Look at Adrian.
I'm going for the playground.
Whoa!
What?
We got a fight.
Look at this.
Look at the swing. Oh my gosh, there's a Barbie sleeping. Oh my gosh, run.
15.
Oh my gosh, guys. There's so many choices. Oh, I have this one. Guys, I have this one. Look, guys, I have that one. Look, guys. Look behind you.
I know.
Very nice. You had it, yes? Yeah.
My cousin has it.
I have it too. I already have this one.
What?
It's a makeup box.
Yes, I know. My other cousin has it. And my dad doesn't let me to put makeup. Me neither.
I have like a whole box of makeup. I can't even close it.
You're lucky, but I'm not lucky. Oh.
Yes, you are. You have like a house bigger than me. But I think I'm getting bigger than it because that was like 1 year ago. Oh, so this one's still makeup.
Cool.
Okay,
My cousin has it also. Let's take it.
We really need some cool mixo. We want blind bags. Oh, cool.
Like from Minecraft.
Oh my. Oh, cool.
They look so crazy.
You got the Batman. I got Robin.
Batman is upside down.
Should we buy them?
No.
I like Robin.
Come on.
Let's go show this to my dad.
This is her house. Oh my
gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that doll. Look at that doll. Look at her face.
I'm going to
It's not even clear.
this for my Barbies. Oh, it's very beautiful.
No. You like that one?
Yeah, it's so cute. Look at her dress.
Fab. It even says fab. Fable. What does fable mean? Oh, it says fab and then question mark.
Exclamation.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Look at Summer. Look at Summer in background. And look at Teresa in the background and Nikki. Which one's yours? This one's Teresa's.
Look.
This one's...
It's very expensive.
I know. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this, guys.
She takes horse riding class.
Oh my gosh, look at this Barbie. It's just so cool.
It's so cracked.
Cool.
I've been fading.
Oh
my gosh. ترى دينارين بس خليني. Oh no, هذا بدينارين.
Oh my gosh, I have a million paints and no paintbrush. I gotta buy this.
I gotta buy this too. أنا عندي نفسه بس كريول أصلي أكثر. صح؟
لا.
أنا مالي أصلي.
Look under you guys.
Yeah, it's so cool.
I see.
With the storage, no?
Before you showed me this one. Yes.
Gosh.
أنا عندي الأبيض.
That what is so cool? Look at the green. Oh my gosh, look at this amazing thing.
Look at this amazing
Oh my gosh.
Everyone take one. Maybe we're gonna do some of them.
Wow, look at Let's do the Play-Doh challenge. Oh. It says magical, so it is magical.
Oh wow. تذكرين. بس احنا كنا عند هذا كان 700 بس. 700.
What does it do?
You just press on something, the water come out on your face. Just out.
Get me one, give me one, give me one. Oil plasters.
Pastels, you know how they are good? Yeah, they're so cool. You can mix
I
the
want
color.
pastels.
And this is just 1 KD.
Girl.
And 250 fruits. This is pink. Let's take the cool colors.
Yeah.
They're enough, yes?
Oh, cool, this is for fingerprints. We should totally buy them.
Glows white on a mountain, not a footprint to be seen. In that isolation, it looks like I'm queen.